הזרעות אוכלות את הדבורים.
Dr. Avraham Dahan, we're seeing and witnessing a very, very unique episode. Please share with us what we're seeing here in the Upper Galilee, in the Holy Land of Israel.
Hi, first of all, we can see here the hive of the bees. And once that we can really connect with the rhythm of the bees and to understand how much they are important to the nature, to our life, and they are taking responsible about 75% of the pollinate of the plants in the earth, and 35% of the food of the human being, it's dependent about the bees. And we need to ask ourselves why in the last years we can see that the bees colony, we lose a lot of them. Something happened to them, and we not take care about them. And once that we more understand them and we can come and be close to them and to understand that bees, they are not attacked anyone. They are just afraid, or they are defend themselves or defend the hive. And then once that we understand the rhythm, we can come very close, and then the bees, they can teach us about their behaving. And in my new book, Talmud of Bees, it's poem and wisdom of the bees. I was sit here and they teach me 38 behaving of the bees, and I wrote some poem. And from those poems, I took out the wisdom of the bees, what we as a human being, we can learn from the bees. And it's a magnificent, because finally we can change our mind, or how we think that bees is attacked. Once you say bees, it's attacked you, or you feel, wow, I know, I'm so scary. And no, they are defend themselves. And if they are attacked you, which means something in your behaving was not right for them. And they are the best mentor to mentor us and to coach us how to be more gentle, how to be more polite, how to come to, not just to the bees, to everyone. And it's make the society amazing. They are not responsible just about the nature and pollinate or the food of animals and people. They're really the best mentor of the human being to be more polite, more gentle, to see each one and to give place to each one of us, because they have their place and no one will take their place. And it's a woman kingdom, and it's so magnificent to see the organized, how everything is ordered, clean, and a lot of things. And I so love them, really. And sometimes they are stings me, and I say, okay, Avram, you know what? Check your behaving. What was wrong with your behaving? Maybe you was too much aggressive, or they felt afraid or something like that, and you made something. But you can see now we're sitting here so relaxed, and they see me as some part of the nature, and they're not attacking me.
So basically the bees are teaching you, and throughout the new Talmud of bees, the international audience, many values. Some of them are, for instance, respect.
Yeah, definitely I can say that. It's respect. And you know what I learned, Netanuel? I learned about what's the meaning of loyalty. They're loyal to the queen. And they know that they belong to the queen, and they depend on the queen, and the queen loves them. And they don't want to be separate. You can't see in those honeybees, you can't see that they are live as some single bee in their nature. No, they love to be together. They depend each other. You know, they are even so social colony, because they are feed each other. They take care about each other. It doesn't mean that if you will open the hives and you will see, oh, there's some of the bees, they are so close to the honey, which means that they can eat the honey more than the other bees that they are far away from the honey. No, the bees that they are so close to the honey, they suck the honey and they feed the friends, and the friend feeds the friend, and then they feed everyone. And you can see amazing responsibility of each one of them. And you know what? We have a lot to learn from them. But we need, first of all, to respect them, as you said, to respect their place and to understand that everything in the nature, it's a godly. And once that we can give respect to the nature and to look deep in the nature, we can learn a lot from every part of the nature.
Avraham Dahan, here with the bees, the new book of the Talmud of the bees, to the Israeli and also at the right time also to the international audience. I want to thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Nitneel, and thank you all of you. Bye-bye.